Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S3 versus the R8. We'll explore their core differences, from their fundamental design philosophies to their intended purposes. Understanding these distinctions will help you appreciate what each vehicle brings to the road. We'll cover performance, design, and value, so you can see which one truly stands out for your needs. When it comes to power, the S3 utilizes a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering impressive acceleration for its class. In stark contrast, the R8 is equipped with a magnificent naturally aspirated V10 engine, offering a truly exhilarating experience. This allows the R8 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 4 seconds, showcasing its supercar pedigree. The S3 presents itself as a practical yet sporty four-door sedan, making it an excellent choice for daily driving and family use. Its design prioritizes functionality without sacrificing performance. The R8, however, is a striking two-door coupe or spider, built purely for performance and aesthetic appeal. While less practical for errands, its presence is undeniable. The S3 offers incredible value, with a starting price around $48,000, making performance accessible. The R8, as a true supercar, commands a significantly higher price, typically beginning around $160,000. Both cars deliver exceptional Audi quality, but cater to very different budgets and desires. For those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.